In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a finance tracker in Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing your personal finances or keeping tabs on your business expenses, this guide will help you set up a simple yet effective system in Notion to stay on top of your finances. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Notion account. If you're new to Notion or haven't used it in a while, don't worry. Just head over to the official Notion website and enter your login details to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is the central hub of all your Notion activities, the perfect starting point for setting up your finance tracker. Next, it's time to create a new page. On your Notion dashboard, look for the option to add a page. It's usually symbolized by a plus button or something similar. Click on it, and a blank new page will appear in your workspace. We're going to breathe life into this page by transforming it into a finance tracker. To begin, give this new page a name that reflects its purpose. Let's go with Finance Tracker. Clear, concise, and perfectly captures the essence of what we're about to build. Now that we have our page, let's create the main component of our tracker, the database. In Notion, databases are incredibly versatile and powerful tools that let you organize and manipulate data in various ways. To build our finance tracker, type in table view in the page we just created. This command generates a table, which will serve as your primary database for tracking transactions. Once your table is set up, name it Transactions. This is where all your monetary ins and outs will be recorded. Think of it as the ledger where you log every financial move. Now, it's time to customize this database to fit your needs. We need columns and properties that reflect what you intend to track. Essential columns may include date, description, category, amount, and perhaps a payment method if you want to be extra detailed. For instance, in the date column, you'll keep track of when each transaction occurs. The description field offers a space to note details about the transaction, like grocery shopping or utility bill. Meanwhile, the category column enables you to classify expenses, which is useful for budgeting purposes. Finally, the amount column is straightforward, where the value of each transaction is recorded. And there you have it. In just a few moments, we've crafted a finance tracker in Notion that's fully customizable to your particular financial tracking needs. Feel free to add more columns as you find necessary and explore additional views like calendar, board, or list to visualize your data in a way that makes sense to you. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I can't wait to see how you make use of your new finance tracker in Notion.